Hey guys, Ethereum has suffered the wallet hack and an hour-long blockchain shutdown twice in a month. Markets continue to fall and Cardano is holding steady. Why would Cardano soon replace Ethereum? And what is the strategy to become a Cardano millionaire if you start today? Let's figure it out now. There have been a lot of silent problems going on in the Ethereum network lately, and Cardano looks like a great alternative. Next, you'll find out why. Today, the Ethereum network was unable to confirm blocks for an hour. Everything is working normally now, but the reason has not yet been confirmed. The most interesting thing is that this is not the first time developers can't explain strange things happening in the Ethereum blockchain. Here's another case. On April 19, a hacker stole $10 million in ETH tokens from old wallets. But no one has figured out how it happened. The biggest concern for ETH holders is that these were wallets of users who were very worried about security. That is, they weren't newbies clicking on third-party links. Most likely, these wallets were stored on hardware devices, but were still somehow hacked. Many have already forgotten about this event, but it puts into question the security of storing assets on the Ethereum network and in Ethereum-based blockchains such as Arbitrum or Optimism. How do you think Cardano is better than all Ethereum-based blockchains? Here's a simple example. During the last 3 weeks, meme coin mania led to a 10-fold increase in the cost of commissions on the Ethereum blockchain. Users were paying $100 just to exchange on Uniswap, and someone paid 64 ETH or $120,000 for one transaction. Okay, but how were Layer 2 blockchains on Ethereum doing if they were supposed to reduce commission fees? Spoiler alert, just as bad. Commission fees on Arbitrum, Optimism, and ZK Sync era were as high as $7 to $8, when they should be 20 to 50 cents at most. And this is in spite of the fact that the network load was not particularly large. And imagine how the commissions on Ethereum and other blockchain networks will surge during a bull market. These networks will all become very expensive and inefficient to use. All in all, we see a situation where Ethereum is not able to handle the current load, plus has security issues. That's why I believe Cardano will be able to poach the audience and, most importantly, liquidity from Ethereum in the next few years. How and why this is going to happen and how to buy ADA at the lowest price, we're going to discuss in the next part of the video. Today, Hydra Head launched on the main Cardano network. Hydra is a tool designed to speed up transactions on the Cardano network and make them cheaper. The tool is the first in a planned suite of products. Each Hydra Head works off an off-chain mini ledger shared by a small group of participants, helping speed up transactions while lowering fees significantly. This update aims to improve DeFi on Cardano, which makes ADA holders very happy. After all, TVL on the Cardano network continues to update the all-time high in the number of ADAs in DeFi. It's worth saying that Cardano developers launched Hydra on time, as the Cardano network is already at 96% utilization. What does that mean? If the network is 100% loaded, your transaction will stand in a queue and wait for the blockchain to process all the transactions before it. And this is where the risk is that Cardano can become slow with heavy load. That's why Cardano's roadmap includes the implementation of 3 solutions to scale the network, one of which has already been successfully launched. Cardano is growing slowly but surely. And now an important question. What blockchain can compete with Ethereum based on blockchains like Polygon, Avalanche, Arbitrum, which took over the whole market? At first, Solana comes to mind, which in 2021 was a strong competitor to Ethereum. But out of the claimed 64,000 transactions per second, Solana actually has 4,000. Anything more overloads Solana, causing the network to stop frequently. There are even memes about Solana's work schedule. So Solana is not ready for a heavy load. Another non-EVM blockchain with a large fan base is Polkadot. Polkadot is constantly developing and improving, but at the moment is one of the most awkward blockchains by UX/UI design. Just look at the Polkadot wallet. In general, the network is not ready to accept a large number of people. On top of that, liquidity flees from Polkadot to other blockchains, which is not good for long-term blockchain development. Therefore, of the large blockchains with a large fan base, influencer support, technology, and user-friendly UX/UI design, only Cardano remains. Of course, even Cardano has its disadvantages, which I discussed in the last video, but this blockchain looks like a strong competitor to Ethereum in the long run. Guys, you probably wonder what strategy you should use to accumulate ADA to become a millionaire. I'll tell and show you everything with examples, but for now I've noticed one bad trend. 92% of viewers watch my videos without subscribing. If you enjoy the content I make, support me and subscribe to my channel, as it's super motivating. What's the best strategy to buy Cardano? Obviously, none of us can accurately guess the bottom or top of the market. You have to be a prophet to do that. But since we can't see the future, there is a very powerful tool to buy the asset at the most profitable rate. This tool is very simple, but for some reason, very few people use it. The strategy is called dollar cost average, or simply DCA. Our task is to buy an asset for an equal amount each week or month, regardless of the price on the market. So we buy more tokens at a cheap price and fewer at an expensive price. Let's just imagine that we were using such a strategy from April 2018 through April 2021. Let's say that for 3 years we bought $1,000 worth of ADAs every first day of the month, regardless of price or market stage. To make it clearer, I've prepared a spreadsheet. So, for 3 years, we have been buying ADAs at $1,000 every month and invested a total of $37,000 because 3 years and 1 month is 37 months. To understand what the average purchase price was, let's use a weekly moving average tool with a period of 150. This tool will show us the average price for the last 3 years. As you can see, the average price to buy the ADA was only 15 cents. Now let's calculate how many ADAs we bought for $37,000 at 15 cents and get a figure of 246,666 ADA tokens. That's how many ADA tokens we were able to accumulate in 3 years investing according to DCA strategy. Not bad, don't you agree? Assuming that all tokens we sold were in the range of $2 to $3, we earned between $500,000 to $750,000 on Cardano. Not a million, but not bad either. It's important to keep two factors in mind though. First, the DCA strategy works best during a prolonged bear market, like right now. The price is at the bottom for a long period of time, and the market provides an opportunity to buy tokens at a low price. I think a bull market won't happen until a year and a half from now. So there's still time to buy ADA cheaply to become a millionaire in the next cycle. Second, this is not financial advice or a call to buy ADA with all the money you have. Invest only the amount you feel comfortable about and look less at all the charts. They are bad for mental health. Study more, learn new projects, and build up your portfolio gradually. But also do not forget to take profit and please yourself and your loved ones. That's all. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching. Your CoinPost.